Hello from Slovenia again. I will do some experimenting. I just cut this garbage bag, trash bag, I don't know the right word still. And today I tape it just in these 4 sides. And I will try to do a spiral dip. And next time I will tape it on these 4 sides and maybe tape it all around, and we will see if this makes any difference with the design. Of course it's important how you lift your canvas. I will try to lift it as even as I can in all of my experiments, but if you try this, you know that it's not so easy as it looks. So I just mark corners of the canvas so that I will know where is it. And I think that I had too much white, I don't know, probably. I didn't have my white in squeeze bottles, and then I just pour it too much maybe. Or maybe we should do I don't know, kind of flower shape, or maybe circles. Let's do circles and see what will happen. So I will start with this bronze today, and I will add this cadmium yellow light hue around. And maybe this cadmium red light hue around this. And I will use my metallic silver. As you know, it's almost white, so it won't be silver, but just to get some effects. And cadmium yellow deep hue next. And carmine red. And I will go once again with this bronze. And cadmium yellow light hue. And cadmium red light hue. And this metallic silver. deep hue. Carmine red. And I will go with silver again. And with this cadmium red at the end. I just have hair here. So, I have dry canvas, has no paint on it, so just gently oops, this was not good. And let's try to lift this up. I just overheated here my paint, you see. I will try to fix it. Where is my straw? don't know. If I'm completely satisfied with this flower. It has some beautiful details, but I don't know if I'm completely satisfied with it. And because I don't like this, so I will not leave it as a skin. That's why I will try to dip some of these cards. This is just, you see, somehow some kind of design, block of paper, so I dip it on the white side if I don't forget that I should dip it in on the white side, and then I use it. You can leave them different ways, but I just like to leave them that way because I like these results. And we can lift one other way, so you will see the difference. You just push this paint a little to the middle. I think that there is just too much white. You can always pour some paint on, so I will not bother you anymore with this, so I will take you for a close-up of this dip, and next time we will try to tape plastic other way and see the difference. I just love this lacing. don't know which way. Probably I like it this way the most, and this is the first card. I didn't torch it yet, so see this lacing, it's beautiful too. I love this card, and kind of like this flower too, but not completely. But we will try to tape it other way and see if there is any difference. Don't forget about my live auction next week. Subscribe, like, comment, visit my Patreon site, anything you want. So this is it for today, and see you on the next one. Bye.